Everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some tricks that my dog can do. So, the first one is I'm going to throw a toy to my dog. Ready, Penny? Come on. Okay. Come on. Okay. And then the next trick is giving her this toy, and sometimes she takes the toys and sometimes she doesn't. And now the last one is I tell her to sit, and sometimes she sits. So Penny, sit. Okay. And now when I put the toy, I have a tree here, I'm going to put it up and she sometimes jumps. Come on. Come on. Ready? Come on. See? Sometimes she jumps. And now, when I ask her for the paw, she does. Hey, give me a paw. And now, I give her the treat. And I hope you guys liked today's video, and I hope you guys like seeing my dog. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay guys, so my brother wants to throw a toy to my dog and see if she gets it. So, okay, throw it.
Hi guys.
Okay.
Go get it.
Come on, go get it. Come on, come on. Throw it again. Come on. Okay, throw it. Okay.
Go get it.
Come on. Okay, she's probably not gonna get it anymore. Okay, well, I hope you guys liked today's video. Sometimes she does tricks, sometimes she doesn't. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye guys.